In front of me is Google Pixel 7 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Google device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then look for Privacy section. When you find it, tap on it and choose Permission Manager. Now you can click on the feature that you wish to control, in my case, photos and videos, and then tap on Chosen App. I will go with Settings, or maybe YouTube Music. Now tap on the best option for you, Allow or Don't Allow. So now when I click on Don't Allow, I need to just confirm in this pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, YouTube Music no longer has access to my photos and videos. Then go back, and now you can, instead of selecting one of those features, click on any of them and tap on an app that you are interested in, like Chrome. Then choose See All Chrome permissions instead at the bottom and manage all of them only for Chrome app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!